One of the most hyped foldables of the year, the Honor Magic V Flip 2. And let me tell you, this isn't just another flip phone. It's a serious game changer. First up, the design. Sleek, stylish, and refined from the last generation. It comes in 4 stunning colors: titanium sky gray, moonshadow white, dreamy dawn purple, and a special sparkling blue edition made with fashion icon Choo. Yeah, Honor's flexing a little style muscle here. The dual cameras on the back are now symmetrical, finally giving this phone the clean, polished look. And when it comes to displays, Honor isn't holding back. Inside, you've got a 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED 120Hz screen that's built to handle 350,000 folds, with a crease so tiny, less than 50 micrometers. You'll barely notice it. Even the 4-inch cover screen is rocking 120 Hz. So you're getting smooth performance whether it's open or shut. Under the hood, it's packing the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, all in a body just 6.9mm thick and 204 grams light. That's wild done. Cameras, this is where things get juicy. The Magic V Flip 2 is rumored to be the first foldable with a 200MP main sensor and a 50MP ultrawide, plus a 50MP selfie cam. That's proper flagship photography in a clamshell. And here's the kicker: a 5,500 mAh battery. Yep, the biggest ever in a flip phone. Pair that with 80W fast charging and 50W wireless and battery anxiety. Gone. It's launching in China on August 21st, with pre-orders already live. Global release details are still under wraps, but if Honor delivers on these promises, this could be the foldable to beat in 2025. So, what do you think? Is the Magic V Flip 2 finally the flip that makes you switch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech.